Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You get one of these items at a low cost, and also see what other goodies they have to purchase also. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Merry Christmas to everybody, since it's Christmas Day now. Hopefully Santa Claus brought you some goodies and a lot of Amazon gift cards, so you could go shopping on Amazon. And if you might want to buy one of these, and we'll see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending this for a review. And this is coming from, this might be separate videos today. I told them I'll do each video separate. So we got number one. Got the Amazon right there. This is coming from Tolaccea foot thumb sleeve. Ooh. Cold therapy, hot therapy. I like hot therapy. I don't do the cold too well. Michigan is cold. Hot cold 360 compression therapy. Wearable foot thumb sleeve. Flexible sleeve. Stretchable. We're going to try this on. So far my feet are pretty good. They are holding on. But who knows in about 10-20 years from now. But definitely life is pretty scary sometimes, but it's also, life is good. There we go. So definitely check these guys out for all your pain relief. Get you back on the road, especially all you guys in wrestling, football, hockey, soccer, rugby, cricket, even bowling, poker players, especially people in retail that are on their feet a lot, especially the older folks. So if you got some older folks that you care about and you know they're working in the industry, you might want to check these guys out for birthday gifts or whatnot, or just a thoughtful gift. You know, it doesn't have to be their birthdays. You just, ooh, this feels nice. Totally cool design. I'm not sure how to put this on. Oh, you put it through your big toe. Okay. This probably will help. Foot thumb ice sleeve. We'll probably do the heat. I mean, you guys can't tell, but I'll let you guys know how it feels with the heat and then the cold. So we'll do this one heat and this one cold. So put them on both feet. Happy feet again. Yeah, this feels really nice, guys. Super jelly. I like this feel. Squishy. Totally cool. Okay, let me take my shoes off. I'll be right back. Alright guys, got them both on my feet. After being in the microwave for a few seconds. This is a warm one. Feels really good. And then here is a cold one. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of the heat. Totally cool. Here's my toes. They're pretty clean. So, here we go. Like I said, foot thumb ice sleeve or heat sleeve. Take these off. Easy to put on, put off. And all you guys gotta do, click that link down below. Check them out. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this one. Putting my socks back on now. But definitely this will come in handy. Totally cool. Pretty cool, huh? There we go. Alright, YouTubers, until the next video, be safe. Merry Christmas. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm. Got your cookies out now. And Merry Christmas to everybody, since Santa Claus will be coming down your chimneys in the next few hours. Hopefully you guys get a lot of gift cards from Santa, especially Amazon gift cards. And we have another special unboxing to do. So, All you guys gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, see what goodies they have to offer besides this item, which is my Amazon affiliate link, and add it to your cart. Check out. And this comes from Tolaccea, toes and foot ice sleeve. They got the hot or the cold therapy. This could be cool. Kind of looks like slippers. Hot and cold therapy, compression therapy, wearable ice foot sleeve, flexible sleeve, safe and reusable, expert grade gel, pain relief for toes and foot. So the older that we get, especially people that's been on their feet for a long time, from pretty much everybody now in this world that are on their feet a lot, especially in retail. Retail, you name it, basketball players, football players, hockey players, wrestlers. This will help you guys out, especially if like you're stuck on an airplane for a few hours. Pop these in. If I can open it up. There we go. There we go. Little tough little guy. Alright. Bada boom. Bada bing. It's a new day. Here we go. Toe and foot. Like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer. I love this gel. It feels so squishy. Feels really good, guys. You can heat it in the microwave. I think it's like maybe 20 seconds or less. And Tolaccea Toes and Foot Ice Pack provides 360 degrees coverage. The flexible ice foot is ergonomic designs, perfect for feet, and it's wearable without straps. This ice foot sleeve is reusable, also microwavable, freezer safe, and allowing you to use hot or cold therapy depending on your needs. The ice pack is made of non-toxic material, latex free, leak proof, with no smells after use. Haha. So no stanky foot. So that's a good thing. Cold therapy, placed in the ice pack in the refrigerator at 20 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours for immediate use. Frozen it longer with lower temperature. Take out the ice pack from freezer, wipe off the moisture, pull it over the required area. Wear and keep place approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Hot therapy. Start with room temperature. Place the ice pack flat in the microwave with a clean plate. Microwave it for 50 seconds. If heat is needed more, microwave in 5-second increments. Wear and keep approximately 15 to 20. How to clean. Hand wash with a damp towel. Do not submerge sleeve in water. Lay flat and air dry. Do not machine wash. Got it? Got it? Good. Alright, now let's open it up. And here's the social media links. Tolaccea. Hashtag Facebook. Alright, guys. Definitely Merry Christmas to everybody, all parts of the world. Happy China New Year. And like I said, hopefully everyone's being safe, not too crazy. Ooh, kind of looks like a mitt, but not the mitt. I wonder if you could use it for your... Yeah, it's kind of like an oven mitt, but this is for your feet, so like a giant slipper. Oh yeah. These feel good. Oh, that's... I can't wait to put these on my feet. I'm going to do this one in the microwave and then this one in the freezer. So I'm going to pause. It's going to be a long pause, but... Well, for me. But when I come back, it's going to be on my feet. Tolaccea. And then... We'll check it out. See, it kind of looks like slippers. Or sandals. I don't think you'll slide and hurt yourself. So I mean, if it's for older couple or people, some might be want to careful. But it'll be good for carpets and stuff like that. I don't know about floors you might slip on, but it should be good. Yay. Okay, we're gonna go heat this up, chill this one out. Be right back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up. I forgot to say that in the other video. It's okay. Be back. Alrighty, guys. After all that, we got it out. Ooh, this is cold. 1 foot's cold. 1 foot is warm. Look at this. This is cool. I mean, it's not that. Oh, little wiggle. It's not that slippery, so. Here we go. Tolaccea. Tolaccea. Here's the bottom. But really comfortable, guys. Like I said, if you know people that are on their feet a lot, this is going to be a perfect one for them to get. Super comfy. Super jelly. And all you guys got to do is click that link down below. Add it to your cart and check out. And they'll ship these to you pretty fast. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. Have a good one. Be safe out there. Stay warm. And hopefully Santa brings you a lot of gifts. Be safe. Like, thumbs up, subscribe. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. The link will be down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. And see what other goodies they have to offer. This is coming from my good friends over at Tolaccea. Definitely a lot of good stuff for therapy, for foot therapy, pain. Everybody has it now. I mean, especially the last few years. So this will definitely help you guys out. And all you gotta do is click that link down below. Check them out. And bada boom. Now we have another Tolaccea hot and cold therapy ice foot sleeve. Whoa. This goes all the way up. Oh, they got different colors. So you got feet, plantar. I've never even heard of that word. Sprained ankles, pain relief. So a lot of soccer players, football players, anybody, hockey, wrestlers, you name it. And it kind of looks like arm sleeve. Hot, cold, flexible sleeve, pain relief for Achilles, tendonitis. I don't know, plantar, something. Sprained ankles or feet. 360 compression, wearable ice foot sleeve or heat sleeve. So QR code if you want to scan them. Check them out on the website or on Amazon. But a lot of people might be getting some Amazon gift cards. So hopefully you guys get a lot of goodies today. Merry Christmas, everybody. We made it. The year is finally coming to an end. Santa Claus should be down with your goodies in no time. Make sure you leave some cookies and some milk. Maybe some Oreo cookies or sugar Christmas cookies. And happy Kwanzaa to everybody. Happy China New Year. We are rocking and rolling with celebrations. But let's see what this thing's all about. So I'm going to have to, of course, put this thing in the microwave, which takes a quick second or two. There we go. Ooh. Hot therapy, cold therapy. Oh, this is a nice color. I like this. That's a nice looking color. Oh yeah, this gel is amazing. Super, super jelly. Feels really good. Like I said, this is for your foot, but I just want to show you guys the color. Looks sweet. Here's the inside. Totally cool. Totally cool. Alright, how do I put this thing on? That goes on the side. That goes on top. Okay. Okay, let me pause you guys 1 second. Alright guys, this was easy. Bada boom. All the way up. see it. There we go. Oh, this feels good. See you guys see me walking. So definitely check them out. Here we go. Put you guys right there. And like I said, they got a lot of goodies. I'll show you also what they have. Oh. Here we go. Alright, so now we're going to combine. We got this one. Right there. And then they also got these. These are for your feet. And then just for your toe, kind of. Foot, thumb, ice sleeve. And also these. So, Tolaccea, check them out, guys. A lot of good stuff for your therapy needs, especially with the feet. Like I said, we're on our feet a lot of days, a lot of hours, a lot of months, a lot of years. Sometimes you just got to take care of your feet. And these guys will help you. So just click the link, see what other goodies they have. And you guys have a Merry Christmas. Good night. Be safe. And take it easy. Stay warm.